Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix raise to wake not working properly in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, go and check your raise to wake turn on or turn off. Click on display and brightness and then scroll down. And if your raise to wake turn off, then turn it on. After turning on raise to wake, go back and click on general and now click on software updates, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. Your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix raise to wake not working properly in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.